Odera.
Why so?
There is nothing I can do. I lock the key of love and I fling it to the water.
Eh? Ezemo? Yes. Emoma? Hey! Ezemo Emoma? How? Chibo. Princess Isioma. I'm finished. I'm finished.
I would have thought of it. The woman's name is Isioma.
Yes.
I'm sorry. There is nothing I can do.
Hey, Isioma. Why is you have to do something? You keep saying that there is nothing you can do and I don't understand this language. Please. Please do something. I want you to understand me, Ezomo. Please feel my pains. Please. Make her regain herself. I beg you. Ezomo, Bikon. Please, so that she can pack her things and leave my house. Let her go back to her husband's house. Please. Please, Ezomo, Bikon.
Odera.
Ezomo.
You don't understand me.
Hey.
There is nothing I can do about this.
Ezomo.
Yes.
You really mean this?
Just go and get married to her.
Yes, we are still talking about this marriage. I don't understand. Please stop this now. I'm very serious. In fact, Ezemo, I'm not leaving this shrine. Mba! I can't leave this place. See, Ezemo, there must be a solution. Because I know everything in this life has a solution. Nka, where's solution? Give me solution. What's this now? Yes?
You and I in my shrine.
Yes, so I go nowhere. I am staying here with you. Do you give me solution now? Emoma?
Odera.
It's Emo.
Leave now.
Emoma. Solution now? Leave. Yam solution. Leave. Solution.
My love.
My love.
Please take care of yourself, okay?
And you too. Sure. And please drive safe, okay?
I will.
Be careful.
I will. Don't worry, when I'm coming back, I'll buy you something.
Thank you.
Dream. This is very bad. Did my father discover this place? This is very bad.
Kachuku. Kachi.
Adira.
Where is my friend?
He drove to the hospital to see Mama. From there, we'll be going to work.
Eh? Work? Which work?
He drives Uber now. You know we need money for Mama's surgery. Hey, what about his auntie at your house? Has she gone?
I'm so tired, honestly. In fact, I need to leave this village. I need to leave this village for good. I can't even stay in my own house. Why? Eh? Why? I'm tired, honestly. I'm tired.
This is strange. It's unbelievable.
Please. Is there food in the house?
There are you and food. There is food.
There is food. Thank you. Oh no, this is Princess Isioma you wanted. Look at her body. Just look at how beautiful she is. What a beautiful princess. Eh? But look at what this useless charm got for me. Mama Daisy. God forbid. Tia. Eh? God forbid. So there is no solution now? What will I do right now?
Are you enjoying the meal? Odira. Odira.
Hey.
You're lost.
Oh, sorry. My head is full. Sorry.
It's fine. I understand. Everything will be alright.
Kachi told me your father is not happy that you are here. And he ordered they freeze your account.
Yes, he did. But it can't change anything. We're already surviving. Just waiting for Mama to get to us so we can leave this village. I suggest you people should leave this village. Yes. You have to leave the village. For your own good. You know, go? Yes, we will leave before my father finds out that I'm here.
Exactly.
It's very necessary.
Very important. Very important.
Enjoy your meal.
Oh, thank you.
You're welcome.
Is your phone? I want you to think of what we discussed.
That's fine, my prince. I'll think about it and revert.
You are a man. You have your choices to make. Have a nice day.
Thank you, my prince.
To marry, I guess it's a wish. Allow the love to shine brighter in a girl. Rapuno love waka, go see away. Respect the soul. Only one marine. Let love be. Rapuba love, kojebe love we are. Kojebe love we are. Respect each heart. Marriage is a choice, not a command. Let love flourish. Let's break the chain. Let love flourish. Let love be. Rapuba love, kojebe love we are. Kojebe love we are. Respect each heart. Marriage is a choice, not a command. Let love flourish. Let's spread the love, not fear and control. Let us be the change that makes hearts whole. Kindness is key to a love that is real. Let love heal. Respect the soul. Only one marine. Let love be. Rapuba love, kojebe love we are. Kojebe love we are. Respect each.
The last I checked, both of you are not friends. Why coming to this place to look for her?
Rhoda. Calm down now. We are not fighting. I'm only here to pass a message to her. A very important one at that.
She's not at home. You know where to find her. Please start going.
Oya, tell me where to find her now so I can go look for her.
I don't know now. Please start going.
Rhoda,
I don't know.
your blood self to the rush, eh? It's like you're not in a good mood. But anyways, I will come back, okay? Oya now. Rhoda. Hi, Rhoda. Oya now, take care of yourself.
Look at this one.
So I've been meaning to ask you. Did you tell the prince? to get me a job in his father's company.
I did. It's just that he asked me what I wanted and I told him. I had to say something. I had to tell him to get you a job. Listen, you'll still be the engineer that you are. It's just that this time around you'll be bigger, you know. You'll be more known. You'll be seen.
Are you doing this because I was there for you when you were sick?
No. Hey, no. I'm not.
So why are you doing it?
Because you're kind. You are an amazing man. You're selfless. And I love you. And I'm not scared of her. I'm not scared of loving again.
We are in a world where love should be free. Why forcing a heart to marry against its wish? Allow the love to shine brighter, no God. Rapuno love waka, Godson. Respect the soul. Only one marine. Let love be. Rapupa love, Kojebe love we are. Respect each heart. Marriage is a choice, not a command. Let love flourish. Let's break the chain. Let love flourish.
Buy a sweet orange.
I want you to come to my hotel room right now.
Is there a problem?
I command you to come to my hotel room immediately.
See, you see this nonsense? This rubbish you're doing. This should be the last time you ever try such nonsense. So, if not, you'll get missing. You lost, so it's not a threat, it's a promise. It's a promise. Rubbish.
Osioma, you are...
Is something wrong with you? Are you mad? Are you crazy? Eh? Why will you touch me in that manner? What can we make any see? Respect to we get back. Alright!
Which guy did this guy give me? Eh? Maybe I'm not wearing for the right finger. Osioma! I will go and see that guy now. Which guy did this?
I don't need to ask you how you feel. I can see that in your eyes. But
What?
your father wants you to fix a date for your wedding with the princess.
I won't do that. Why are you all always talking about date and princess and marriage? What is the problem?
Son, I don't want us to argue this again.
Mom, please. I am so tired. I just need to rest. Okay? It was a hectic day for me at work today. So please, allow me to rest. Good night.
Obinna.
Mom, please. Please.
Obinna, you have to. Else your father will fix the date by himself.
He should go ahead and fix the date. I don't care. He should do whatever he wants to do.
But I thought you were getting along already. I mean with the princess.
You can get along with the mother and daughter. But definitely not me.
We are in a world where love should be free. Why forcing a heart to marry against its wish? Allow the love to shine brighter.
Okay, my love. Alright.
Hey.
Good night. I go love you. Yeah, good night. Okay.
I'm happy for you, my love. You know, right? Do you think he loves you? Yes, I know he loves me. The princess. Please, just let her be. What's my business with her? Okay, I don't. Hey. Don't tell me an orange girl like you will fight the princess. Are you being crazy right now? Why would I fight her? If she... In fact, the princess is the princess. Ozoma is Ozoma. And he is who he is. Hey!
He's calling me back. Excuse me.
Your father, the king.
My love, it was so real. And that got me terrified.
This is serious.
You know we don't have enough money. I want us to sell this phone so Mama will be discharged as soon as the surgery is over.
No, we can't do that. I am already driving an Uber. I'll raise money in no time. We just can't sell this phone now.
My love, we have to. We don't have enough time. Please.
My love.
Please. I'm very certain my father is seriously in search of us. We need to sell this phone, get money and leave.
You have done enough for Mama and I.
My love,
I appreciate.
There is no word like enough for what I can do for us to be happy. Let's sell this phone and leave. Please.
You need this phone. You need your phone. We just can't sell your phone.
I think I'm pregnant.
What?
Yes. We are expecting a baby.
Tell me you're joking.
I'm serious.
You're serious? Wow. That's good news. Come here. I'm happy. See, trust me, I need to do the needful, okay?
Not yet. We need to take care of Mama first.
That's true, but thank you.
You're welcome.
Come. Thank you so much.
I will not stop loving that orange girl. If that is the reason you came to the palace.
Obin, I am done playing your games.
What do you mean?
What if I tell your father that you're not interested in me? That you don't want us to get married? Rather, you want the smelly, dirty, slimy orange girl.
And what if I tell your father that the princess of Ajani is dying for a phone repairer? A phone engineer from another kingdom.
No one will believe you. And as for you, you can scheme your way out of this. If you don't stop seeing that girl, I will expose you.
You don't know anything about me. You can go ahead. Go ahead and do whatever you want to do. But the truth stands. I will not marry you.
We shall see.
A lover's call. Yeah. Her heart beats fast. Her soul feels free. She will fall in love wherever it may be. Wherever it may be. Oh. Run away.
Thank you so very much.
You're welcome, madam. I love, I want to rush to the hospital and be with Mama. I'll come back.
Oh, no, just wait. We'll go together.
No, I can't wait for you people to finish the food now. Let me just go and come. I can't wait to go together. I can't wait. I'll be...
You mean
Why are you shifting the food?
Ah,
my woman will bring food. You won't wait for her to eat. You start rushing it. Is it your food?
your woman, eh? You're good, Maya.
Kachi. See, this food is not the reason I called.
Whatever is the reason, let me finish eating. Eh? I'm very hungry. Hey! See soup. Oh yeah.
Oh, there.
Hmm?
You know, I've been thinking.
Okay.
I've been thinking the reason my auntie will leave his husband's house and come stay in your house all this while. I want you to tell me the truth. Is there something I'm supposed to know that you're not telling me? Because this is giving me so much concern. You're my friend. What is going on?
Kachi, if you don't want me to enjoy this meal, just tell me. What's the meaning of this? Eh? Why are you asking me questions? But I've told you this before. I told you I don't know what is happening to her. I don't know what is happening to your auntie. I did not do anything. Eh? So you want to accuse me now, right? Eh? I even told the husband to go to my house and bundle her out of my house. And he's threatening me with what I don't know. Why are you doing this? Please, I don't like this thing. I beg. Let me just enjoy this. Let's leave that one aside. Tell me, what about the princess? What plans does she have for you and your mom? Is she flying you and your mom abroad? Let me know. I need to know your plans now. Eh?
Odera! Hey! You must pay for this.
Pay for what?
Youths, look at him. Pick him up!
Pick you up, I don't understand. Wait. What is the meaning of it?
What do you want?
What is it now? Wait now. What is it? I don't understand now.
What do you want?
What is this now?
He has the guts to cast love spell on my wife and snatch my wife.
Love spell?
What do you want?
I don't understand what you're talking about. Look at my house. What is that one?
Yeah, Odera.
Eh?
Odera, what are they talking about?
Odera!
It's not what are they saying? Which love spell? I don't understand.
Odera, you thought you would not find out. You thought you would not ask questions.
What are you
This
saying?
fool used charm to take away his wife away from him. Yes.
That's no. I don't understand. Wait.
Yes.
Odera, you people are getting me confused. Odera, what are they saying? Altarom.
I'm confused. I don't know.
This fool wanted to take charm to take away the princess from you. Yes. But instead of the charm,
hitting the princess directly. He hit my wife because they bear the same name. And incidentally, my wife was in this house, in their house, that very day. This fool, so he's supposed to be stoned to death. He is evil. He planned to take your princess away from you. He's an evil man.
Odera, what Ichie said now, is it true?
You know I cannot do this to you.
And you're eating in same plate with me in my house, Odera.
Kachi, I'm sorry. Yes, I'm so sorry. It's just that I was not happy seeing you alone with the princess. You know, this beautiful princess. You could not even call your friend at least to say how far, but you didn't do anything like that. You were just enjoying yourself, and I said no, let me just take it by force. I'm sorry. Sorry, you're so sorry.
Odera, you're so sorry. Odera.
My love.
Odera is sorry. Odera prepared a love charm. A love charm for you. And the love charm affected my auntie. My auntie that we've been talking about since I've been in Odera's house. I didn't know that Odera was just planning to kill me. All because of you. Look at Odera. My love, please take this food inside. I'm coming. Odera, wait.
Yeah, Oga, you will give me my money today. What kind of nonsense will you say for me? What kind of nonsense will you say for me?
What did you say? Are you okay? Is there anything wrong with you? How do you mean that this thing is fake?
Oga, this your ring is not working. This your ring is not working.
The ring I fortified by myself. You said it's not working.
Oga, it's not working.
Did you try it on someone else? Since you tried it on the girl and it did not work, did you try it on another person?
Oga, you sold a fake ring to me. I told you specifically what I needed this ring for. I want to sleep with a girl and take pictures of her. You told me yes, you can. It will work. This girl gave me a dirty slap on my face.
Beto, this particular ring I gave to you.
Yes, this is your fake ring.
I don't think so. Because if this ring did not work on that girl, that means there is an issue. This ring, I fortified it myself and gave it to you. If you use it on her, it did not work. Why didn't you try it on someone else? You would have tried another girl to confirm. The only way this ring will not work, except the girl in question belongs to a marine world or from a royal blood.
Which nonsense marine world or royal blood? See, I don't want problem, oh. I don't want problem, oh. Give me back my money, oh. Give me back my money. This your ring is not working.
Listen, go and try it another girl. Try it and confirm. I know what I gave to you, but make sure the girl in question is not from a royal blood. If not, it will not work. Forget all these ones you are saying, oh. I will just give it one more try. I will look for a random girl and try this thing. Oga, if this thing don't work, I swear to God, Makachukwu, you will not like me. Listen, when I come back for you. Listen, I swear by my ancestors, if this ring work, trust me, you will pay me double of the money that you gave.
No problem now. Let's see now. Shebi, when you were taking my money, I asked you, is this thing working? You say yes, it's working.
Okay, go and test it. It will work.
No problem now. No problem now.
Now, go and try it and stop stopping me, Charlie.
Oh, no, let me just try this one more time. You will see the other side.
Go and try it to work.
is this? What? Are you mad? You're mad? Are you mad? Come down from there. Are you? Jesus! Down. Where is she? Where is she? Where is she? Get out from that car! Bring her out of the car! You have the guts. You have the guts! Like... See your bar here. Wait, take it. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. It's for you. Today's your lucky day. Let's go. It's okay. Hey! Let's go. Let's go. Shall we? Let's go. Hey!
How dare you not fight back? How dare you?
My priestess, they were with guns.
They were with guns. Get out. Out of my sight! Get out, you fools! Tell me you did not save her from my wrath.
The next time you make such move on Ozioma, you will regret your entire existence. It is a promise. Trust me.
Who are you? Who are you to her? Why are you protecting her? Why are you loving her when she's loving another? Who is she to you?
I will not repeat myself again, Princess Verena. Try it, and you shall see the outcome.
Prince Obinna, is that a threat? Prince Obinna. Prince Obinna!
A lover's call. Yeah. Her heart beats fast. Her soul feels free. She will follow love wherever it may be. Wherever it may be. Oh.
No! What is wrong with you? I will not stand there and watch you do that to my best friend. No, I will not.
How dare you?
Amobi!
Princess!
Teach this peasant a lesson.
Hey, stop. What's wrong with you now? What are you trying to do? You want to hit her? Princess, what is it now? Can't you be civil? Can't you just respect yourself for once? You go around the village beating people up. Why? Huh? And you call yourself a leader? Really? Is that how you lead your people? By beating them up?
I'll be back.
Sorry.
It's okay.
I'm sorry about that. That guy is funny.
Very.
He was going to hit you.
I don't know what he intended doing, but it's okay. Thank you.
It's okay, sorry.
Let's go inside.
Oh, what is it now? What is it? Why are you following me around? Why are you following me up and down? What is it?
My love, I am sorry now. I don't know what I did to you. Please.
You don't know what you did to me. Were you not there when you go ask the guys to flog me? They were flogging me and you are there laughing. You are telling me you don't know what you did.
I swear to the living God, I was not laughing. I was crying.
You were crying. You are crying. You are crying. Are you the one receiving the pain? Huh? You are not crying anything. You are laughing, and I saw you. You are laughing. You are telling me you are crying. Please, I don't want love again. I don't want anybody in this palace. I want outside love.
Babe, please, I'm sorry. Sorry.
Better be sorry for yourself, oh.
Babe, I'm sorry. Now, what will I do for you to please your mind? I will do it.
Ice cream. Sorry, I don't want ice cream. I wanted to tell you that I don't want ice cream. I don't want you. I don't want anything. Don't do anything for me. I don't want anything. I don't want love. I don't want you. In short, I don't want anybody in this palace again. How can I have a babe that is there when they are flogging me and I'm even shouting and you are no. I don't want you. I want outside love.
Come. I'm sorry. I will buy the ice cream your favorite, please.
Oh, see my ice cream. It's my ice cream that put me to trouble. Are you mad? What is your problem? You want to finish me? Huh? You want to give me another ice cream again?
No.
Thunder will fire just now.
That's what I meant. I love you.
Love who? Don't love me. I said I don't want to. I'm warning you all. Stay away from me. I told you I don't want love in this palace and you are there telling me you are loving me. How can I have my girlfriend here and watching me and they'll be flogging me up and down as if I'm a panebita car that the panebita is working on? Stop this, Stop following me. Stop loving me. Stop leave me alone. Stop following me around. I don't like it. Don't disturb me again. Which one is it?
Oyeka.
Your last way.
God, what is this now? Honey.
What happened?
Please
what is the matter? Talk to me.
Mother, leave me alone.
Fine. Now let me warn you. I will not have you and your father torment my princess.
I said, leave me alone.
Fine. Should we take the road? Let's travel by her own path.
Everybody loves her.
Should we take the road?
Everybody loves the orange
girl. With a twinkle in her eyes, with a twinkle in her
Do you love her? Do you know who's your mom?
Yes, I do. And the moment I realized that, I became more careful. I decided to become more careful. I see.
She asked me if I truly love her. And if I do, I should prove it by giving you this job. I have seen lots of jobs. Yes, I have. Tell me, how would you want to fly to China for more advancement and skill training in this business? Relax. I know what you're thinking. Is Yafa. Prince. I like you. Yes, I do. And that is why I made sure every of your papers are ready. Is Yafa. You have just 2 or 3 weeks to be in China. I need you to equip yourself for this company.
Thank you, my prince. But please, why are you doing this?
I am bringing you up for the company's standard. And I'm looking forward to working very hard with you in this company. In revamping my father's company.
Thank you.
I wasn't expecting you.
Bribing Ezeafa to leave Ozioma for you. Smart.
What are you doing here? Because I can't remember inviting you to my office.
Are you aware that your father has chosen a date for us to be man and wife?
Yes, I know. And I don't think it will be possible. Princess Urina, you are heartless. You are inhuman. And I don't see us becoming one.
Alright. But you will not have her. And Ezeafa will not have her. Both of you shall lose.
I need my moment of peace and tranquility.
We shall see.
A lover's call. Yeah. Her heart beats fast.
I am watching.
Her soul feels free. She will fall in love.
told you. Huh? I told you. I don't understand something. Eh?
You talked to the girl. Eh? You saw someone not a girl too. Eh?
Listen, Lieutenant, I am certain about what I'm about to tell you. Uzoma is the royal blood.
Uzoma is the royal blood. Which of the Uzoma? Is he not the one selling knowledge along the road? I beg, don't tell me that one, I beg.
Listen, Uzoma might be selling knowledge. I don't care. But this, I am highly spiritual. I know what I'm talking about. She has the royal blood in her.
See, okay, you are getting me peace right now. They made me the first now. I am warning you. Give me back my money now in full. Take your ring back. Okay, let me go.
You're daring me. Hey. Mama, about this? I will not do. You're daring me.
I'm telling you to work on those back.
Greetings, Your Majesty.
You're welcome.
Father, you sent for me.
Obina, let me ask you. Why have you decided to disgrace me?
I don't understand, Father. How do you mean?
Who is that orange girl that you are seeing? Talk to me now.
My lord, please, let me talk to him later. Calm down.
Father, what if this information is false? I mean, you can't just be mad at me over something you heard.
Oh no. My daughter is not lying.
Oh.
And you want my husband to kill my only son?
That is not what I said.
Anyway, Queen Olana, tell your husband I will see him very, very soon.
You said my daughter is in the king of Magic Kingdom.
Yes, Your Highness.
What is your name?
My name is Odera.
Odera. You mean you traveled away from the kingdom to our kingdom?
Yes. No. I was banished from the kingdom. Yes. I can direct you to his exact house. Kachuku is my friend.
Then you must take me there.
Your Highness, this yes and no. Are you sure he's saying the truth?
That's what I don't know.
He's saying yes and no.
I know. All I know is I want him to take me there.
Exactly.
Are you alright?
Yes.
Hey, good. The God is in your court.
We are in a world where love should be free. Why forcing a heart to marry against its wish? Allow the love to shine brighter in a girl. Rapuno love waka, kogos your way. Respect the soul.
My queen, she's nowhere to be found.
What?
My queen, I can't find her.
My goodness.
Where could she be?
I don't know. I just know that this is her house.
No, you can't bring us here without showing us the orange girl.
Maybe the prince, your son, informed her of our coming.
Come on, don't be sarcastic. My son should be out of this.
Wasted effort. Let's leave here.
A lover's call. Yeah. Her heart beats fast. Her soul feels free. She will follow love wherever it may be. Wherever it may be. Oh. Runaway heart with a love so trust. She will chase the dream with a heart anew. No boundaries can, no fears can tame her love for him. Oh. Runaway heart with a love so trust. She will chase the dream with a heart in you. No boundaries, no fears, someone love for him.
Where is it? You're coming out. Where is the Zafa?
Where are you taking me to now? Where is Zafa?
Cut your head. Where is the Zafa?
I said I don't know where is Zafa.
You don't know where is the Zafa? Yeah, let's go.
Okay, wait. Let's go. Okay, where are you taking me to now?
Will you tell us where you can find the Zafa?
I said I don't know.
You don't know? Yeah, let's go. Let's go. I will cut your head now.
Am I a criminal?
Okay, you understand what we said. Let's go.
Where are you taking me to?
I will cut your leg.
Okay, wait. I'll walk by myself. Wait, I'll walk by myself. Why are you people treating me as if I'm a thief?
Don't worry, you will find out. Where is that? You have proved me stubborn.
Greetings, my princess.
Where is Ezeafa?
My princess, I don't know where he is.
Where is the dirty orange seller?
I don't know.
Lies. So I ask you again, where is Ezeafa and the dirty orange seller?
My princess, I'm not lying. I don't know where he is. I'm not telling lies, please.
You don't know. I see. By the time I'm done with you, you will know. Put him in the trunk.
No. What's my offense? What's my offense, please? What did I do?
Come on. Come on here.
My princess, please.
Enter. Enter here.
Hurry. Why are you
I love my father. Huh? My father. Huh?
Mama, don't worry.
How did my father find me?
Your father?
Calm
down.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry, please. I'm sorry, please.
Oh no.
Hi. I'm sorry, Father, please. Please don't kill him, please. I'm pregnant for him, please.
Oh no. Princess, you're pregnant?
Yes. I'm sorry, Father, please. I'm sorry.
My wallet! Hey! Hey, God! Hey, I'm finished, oh God! Where do I start from, oh? Hey, God! Hey! Hey! God!
Obinna, just answer me. Are you going to marry Princess Urena?
Father, Mother, it is time you know the truth.
What truth are you talking about?
Yes, what truth?
The truth about the orange girl and why I can't get married to Princess Urena.
Sure, Mom.
Please, Daddy.
You can now access all your bank accounts. And both of you should get ready to go to the United Kingdom.
My lord.
Gotcha.
My king, take care of my daughter. I forgive you.
We are in a world where love should be free. Why forcing a heart to marry against its wish? Allow the love to shine brighter in a girl. Respect the soul. Let love be. Respect each heart. Marriage is a choice, not a command. Let love flourish. Let's break the chain. Let love flourish. Let love be.
My princess, see you. Hi. How many months? See how you can't come, you can't get belly. This your belly come fitty, you come fine.
How you doing?
My princess, I know they fine oh. Since that time, when you come poison my ice cream, I know they lick ice cream again. If I see ice cream, I dey zapper. This one no be japa, I dey zapper. Ha! If you see what your pa do me, your pa can't use bodyguard. They flog my nyash. Tear. How they tell you?
You know what? Just call your account for me.
Huh?
Call your account.
My princess. OP.
Okay.
814.
No, hold on. 814. Huh?
630.
630.
9843. OP.
9843.
Hey.
Don. I sent 200,000 for you.
Hey!
I know. I'm sorry for what I did. I know that what I did almost cost your life. I'm sorry for everything.
My princess, you don't need to be sorry. You don't need to be sorry for this kind of thing now. You sent me 200,000 naira. Hey! See, what I want now, make you even poison my ice cream again. When you travel or disappear, come back again, transfer me money. Make I just get money. Now that one I want. Thank you, my princess.
Onyeka, I'm not poisoning you. I'm sorry for everything. Okay?
Hey, my princess, you don't need to be sorry. Even before you talk sorry, self, me, I don't forgive you. But if you know if they do this in every day or every week, they do it monthly. You poison my ice cream, you transfer, you travel, you come back, you transfer money to me.
Onyeka, you can never change. You're still the same.
Yes, ma! My princess, you can't touch me money, Joanna. Hey, my princess, no rest. Your mama, the queen is waiting for me. I want to drive them somewhere. I'm coming, Okay. Thank you. Right. Thank you very much. Bye, princess.
Drive safe. Onyeka can never change.
My love.
My love.
How are you?
Yes, how you doing?
Oh, I'm fine. And how are you doing? How's the baby?
Baby's fine.
Indeed, our dream came true.
Honestly, I'm so happy. I'm very, very happy.
Same here. I was actually thinking, Odera came here to disclose our location. Why would he do that?
Odira. Anyways, what matters is that my dad has forgiven us.
Human beings are unpredictable.
That is human for you.
Hello, my good friend. Izzy, I would like to host you and your family. Yes, by next tomorrow. Yes. It's okay. Yeah. I know. Your daughter is back, I'm aware. Yes, I'm aware. All right. Good night. Thank you.
Oh, this is unbelievable.
Honestly. Honestly.
My love. I want you to take me to your uncle. I'd like to tell him I want to get married to you before I travel to China with the prince.
But I want you to travel to China first.
I have to get married to you first before I go to China with him.
You want me to take you to my uncle? You want to get married to me?
Yes.
You know, I've been betrayed so much by men. They've lied. They've actually not been sincere with me. But you're here now. All thanks to Rhoda for giving me the idea. Checked.
Prince Obinna is calling.
Yes, let me just answer the call. Hello?
She will take the road less traveled by her own path. She will take the road less traveled by her own path. With a twinkle in her eyes, with a twinkle in her eyes, her wed heart beat with a love for the game. Her wed heart beat with a love for the game.
I will swallow my pride. I'm begging you. Please forgive me. I don't want to lose you. I'll do whatever you want as long as you stay away from the orange girl. Please.
I'm sorry. I'm in love with the orange girl. She's my friend. She's actually more than a friend to me.
What about me? What about everything we share?
Go to the prince. Be nice to him. Be at your best behavior. I'm sure you're going to win his heart and warm his bed.
What? What is this supposed to mean? I went down on my knee for you. Is this how you treat me?
You have to be careful. Don't touch me. There's a camera in this room. I planted a camera here. You're under surveillance.
A lover's call, yeah. Her heart beats fast, her soul feels free. She will follow love.
I am done with him. No more games. He has taken your lover away. So, Why don't we make this new relationship work?
Are you really confused? I thought you agreed on this game. We had an agreement that you will go for your lover while I go for mine. And at the end, we will go into a contract marriage. Then when that contract expires, we go our separate ways.
Is that how much you love the orange girl?
I have told you before. I won't stop loving her.
Well, it's a pity you cannot have her. Because no matter what you give to Eziafa, he has made up his mind.
My love cannot be broken. And let me tell you, I will not go into any contract marriage with you.
What?
Yes. That agreement is over and out.
Hila, I sent you a girl's picture. Do not fail me.
Guy, how far now? Where have you been? The princess has been looking for you. Hey, that girl almost killed me. Oh. You know how dangerous she is. She's so obsessed with you.
Okay. That's not why I'm here. I came to ask you a very simple question and I need a direct answer.
What is it?
So I intend to go to Ozioma's village to see her people. I want to know if you're coming with me.
Oh, wait, let me understand something. You mean you still want to marry Ozioma? But you told me you were going to China. Did you change your plan all of a sudden?
I didn't change my plan. Are you coming with me or not?
Eziafa.
Are you coming with me or not?
Okay, it's fine. I will. I will call you tomorrow.
Okay, fine. That's all right.
Do you mean you can't find her? Ask around. Turn that kingdom upside down and make sure you find her. I paid you 2 million naira for this job. I want a clean job. I want good news. Is that clear?
Her heart beats fast, her soul feels free. She will fall in love wherever it may be. Wherever it may be.
Eziafa, do you want to see the car? Why are you staring at it like that? Huh?
Prince, thank you. We were actually on our way to Ozioma's place and we were told you sent for us.
Yes. Sorry for the inconveniences.
No problem.
No problem.
My father would like to see you.
Your father?
Yes. It is very urgent.
Would like to see me?
Of course.
No problem, my prince. We can go see the king, please.
All right.
Now?
Sure. Let's go inside.
Let's go.
daughter. She is my beloved daughter.
What?
Yes, Obinna is her twin brother.
What?
No way.
Prince Obinna and Princess Ozioma are twins. They are my only children. Your daughter here tried to kill my own daughter, Ozioma.
What?
Is she the orange seller? The orange girl?
Yes, I'm the orange girl. I am the smelly, slimy, filthy orange girl. Well, I disguised myself. And I have a reason for doing that.
Okay. Ziafa. What's in here? I don't know. I'm confused as well.
Princess, you don't have to do this. You're hurting yourself. Please. Please stop crying. I'm sorry. My princess. You know I hate seeing you cry. Please.
Are you still like this? No, don't ask me. You don't have to ask me if I'm still like this. I don't understand it. What did I ever do to you people? This is my third relationship and daddy, you're the cause. It's your fault because you will not let me marry the person I want to marry. All you said to me is, Ozioma, this is my friend. No, let me talk. Let me talk, please. Leave me alone. Ozioma, this is my friend. This is his son. I want you to marry this person. I want you to marry this person. But you will not let me express myself, choose my husband myself, and then marry and be fine. Mommy, do you know what he did to me? I went to his office. He was sleeping with his secretary right in his very office. What if I hadn't gone there? What if I had not gone there to see him? Okay, I called him on phone. He did not answer. I wanted to just sit back and relax, just out of respect. But something said, Ozioma, go, and I went. And I saw what I saw. Okay, we're just trying to make you happy. By reading my life? Make me happy by reading. Where are you going to? You are the cause, so leave me alone. Let me express myself. What do you mean? Your husband is the cause. My brother is supposed to come back for his sister's wedding. Mommy, what am I going to? It's okay. Calm down. Oh, God. Mommy, what am I going to? Mommy, I'm so broke.
Think about it. I do see stuff like this in movie and it comes out well. Let's be creative. You can't go back to the state like this.
Being serious. Are you being serious right now, Rhoda? I should fake who I am? Is that what you're telling me? I should fake who I am?
Come on, my princess. I'm not saying you should fake who you are. I just want you to just go inside the society, behave like them so you can find true love. I want you to find a man that will sincerely love you. A man that will give you peace, a man of your dream.
So instead of me to live here and return back to the UK, you're saying I should do what? What are you saying? No, please explain it to me. Make it make sense to me, Rhoda. Please. I'm begging you. Okay?
My princess.
Yeah?
I don't want you to misunderstand me. You can tell your parents that you've gone to the UK, but your twin brother will know about our plans.
Oh.
Listen, all I want is your happiness. I want you to be happy.
Oh, God.
Just like your brother and I. Please. I want you to prove to everyone that you can find true love.
You want me to prove to everyone that I can find true love? You want me to be happy? Okay, if we leave here and go to the place you're talking about, what are we going to be doing? What am I going to be doing? Chasing after men? Chase men? What are chase men me?
I'm not saying you should chase men.
Okay, what are you saying then?
I'm not saying that. You can get into petty business or hawk.
Hawk? Me hawk? Rhoda, I'm a princess. Me hawk? What are you? I should hawking.
My princess, listen. You need to drop all of this.
I'm a princess.
I know. Listen, I just want to... We are there for a purpose, yeah? I just want us to just... You just have to just trust me on this.
Oh God.
My princess. Just trust me. This will come out very nice. Okay?
Okay. I'll do it.
And that was how I entered the kingdom. There I found everything that I've always wanted in life. Love, peace, happiness. I got them all. Your Highness, Asia is the love of my life.
What?
Oh no.
And Rhoda here is the love of my life.
What?
Yes, Father.
Officer, she's the one.
Good day, Your Majesty.
Good day, officer. How are you?
We are fine, sir.
Father, this is the assassin. The assassin Princess Urina here contracted to kill my twin sister, your daughter. I told you. I am watching.
Yes.
Just calm down. Calm down. You don't know what will happen next, so just wait.
King Raymond, my family and I denounce this friendship. I am totally disappointed. Henceforth, we cut these ties. Officer.
Sir.
Do your work.
Young lady, you are under arrest for attempted murder on Princess Uzoma. For your own good, I will advise you remain silent, for whatever you say or do will be used against you in the court of law. Officer, move on.
No, Dad, you can't let him touch me. Dad, you can't let him take me.
Take her away!
Dad, I'm a princess of
This
this
way, move.
city. You can't let him take me, Dad.
Just be going.
Don't allow me to leave her on you. Take her away!
This way.
Are you not doing that? I said move her.
Mom, do something.
This way.
Officer, move her!
Move.
Dad, I'm a princess. You can't do this to me. Dad! Mom!
Use minimal force if necessary. Move!
Princess of our kingdom.
This way.
I'm untouchable. Dad, do something. Don't touch me. Don't touch me. Dad!
A lover's call. Yeah. Her heart beats fast. Her soul feels free. She will follow love wherever it may be. Wherever it may be.
Carry her along. Move.
Just be going. This way. This way.
Run away,
Dad,
just be
move
going.
with a love so trust.
Move!
Dad, please don't let them take me away. Mom, do something.
No fears.
Dad, please don't let them take me away. I'm sorry. Mom, please, I'm sorry.
Dad, please do something. I'm sorry.
She just a dream.
I'm sorry.
No boundaries.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Dad, please, I'm sorry. Don't let them take me. Please come back.
She will just a dream with a heart in you. No boundaries can, no fears can. We are in a world where love should be free. Why forcing a heart to marry against its wish? Allow the love to shine brighter in a girl. Rapuno love waka, go respect the soul. Only one marine, let love be. Rapupa love, kojebe love we are. Respect each heart. Marriage is a choice, not a command. Let love flourish. Let's break the chain. Let love flourish. Let love be. Rapupa love, kojebe love we are. Respect each heart. Marriage is a choice, not a command. Let love flourish. Let's spread the love, not fear and control. Let us be the change that makes hearts whole. Kindness is key to a love that is real. Let love heal. Respect the soul. Only one marine. Let love be. Rapupa love, kojebe love we are. Respect each heart. Marriage is a choice, not a command. Let love flourish. Let's break the chain. Let love flourish. Let love be. Rapupa love, kojebe love we are. We are in a world where love should be free. Why forcing a heart to marry against its wish? Allow the love to shine brighter in a girl. Rapuno love waka, gogosi oweya. Respect the soul. Only one marine. Let love be. Rapupa love, kojebe love we are. Respect each heart. Marriage is a choice, not a command. Let love flourish. Let's break the chain. Let love flourish. Let love be. Rapupa love, kojebe love we are. Respect each heart. Marriage is a choice, not a command. Let love